and try the K-turn. So. Nope. Nope. Some more to the left. To the left. Alright. Then we're going to check our turn all the way to the right. Before we move, we check our mirrors. Check our mirrors. Good job. Excellent hand over hand. Nice and easy. Good job. We're gonna try to figure eight. Sure. Go down to the next one. To the next one.
Alright. Are we gonna do them over there?
Mm-hmm. Left turn signal. And then we'll start with this one first. And this one's gonna be a little tricky because of that car over there, so we're gonna go real slow. Slow. Okay, now turn right. Good job. And turn right again. Nice and easy, no rush. Very good. Nice and easy. Good job. We're gonna go left. Right. And then we're gonna go around this last one. And then we're gonna straighten out, hand over hand. All right, we're gonna stop. Ready when you are. Nice and easy. Good job. Turn the wheel all the way to which way? Good job. You want to make another K-turn? Make another K-turn, come towards me. Make another K-turn, come towards me. So you're going to go out to the right again. Yeah, don't worry about it. Good job. Check your mirrors, turn the wheel all the way to the right. Check your mirrors, check over your shoulder. Nice and easy. Good job. Go ahead. Nice and easy. Turn right. I'm sorry, yes, left. My apologies. We're gonna stop. Look left, look right, look left. Then I want you to pull in, nice and easy. I want you to pull into one of the parking spaces. Outstanding, dude. That's awesome.